Good morning. This is the view after raining, and that is Joey over there. He already eats. He's sleeping there. Okay, so now this is the cemetery place. Now I'm coming to feed my stray pagoda cats here also. I don't see them today. They're coming. Normally they are waiting here. They just wait down there, and when they hear my voice, then they're coming up. Hello, baby. Okay, so now I have food for them. Sorry, I have to carry the camera, and then Jess, I know you are hungry. Okay, sorry. I just prepared this one because I need to use my hand, and I have to take this one out. And I have some biscuit. This is the biscuit. I have biscuit because normally when I feed the animal, I feed them both rice with fish and chicken, and also biscuits. Yeah, so this is the biscuit that I feed. Okay, I know you are hungry, baby. I know. So I keep here. Okay. I hear another voice.